Backfly video doorbell. Open the doorbell back cover panel. Open the battery back cover, install the batteries and then start the doorbell. Plug the chime plug in to power. Key chime will be in pairing mode for several seconds. After that, long press the volume control button till the chime make a ding-ding sound. Pairing succeed. Press the visit key, then the chime will ring. Click Add Device. Click the button below to enter the Wi-Fi settings interface and choose the Wi-Fi, TAC, and back to app. Input your Wi-Fi password and start Wi-Fi configuration. Set the administrator password. Please rename the device after Wi-Fi connects successfully. Completed that device. Press the screen below, then you will watch the real-time video. The video doorbell will immediately send notifications to the phone when someone presses the video doorbell or hovers at the door.